Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Gina C. Valencia, 28 years old, and I'm separated. I have 1 kid and undergraduate of computer secretarial. About my experience, I am a domestic helper in Qatar. My duties and responsibilities are mopping the floor, cleaning the house, and ironing and washing the clothes, taking care of the children.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Gina. How are you today?
I'm very much fine, thank you, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
It must be humble, loyal, and honest, flexible, and responsible for your duties.
Okay, so can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, the proper way of taking care of the children is giving them a proper food nutrition, giving them vitamin, taking a bath every day, and love them as one of your family.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
I apologize to you, Sir, Madam, and say sorry, and I will not do it again, Sir, Madam.
So what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I really need this job for my own family, especially to my son. And I promise that I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Gina, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.